Today we're tackling a crucial but often overlooked topic in high-end cars' reliability. When you invest in a luxury SUV, you want more than just comfort and prestige. You want a vehicle you can trust every single day. The reality? Not all luxury SUVs are created equal when it comes to dependability. That's why I've narrowed it down to the 5 most reliable luxury SUVs you can buy in 2025. We'll break down what makes each one stand out, from engineering to real-world ownership. By the end, you'll know exactly which SUV delivers both opulence and peace of mind. Let's dive in. First up, the Lexus RX, the gold standard for luxury SUV reliability. Lexus, backed by Toyota's legendary engineering, builds the RX to last for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal fuss. The hybrid models, using Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive, are especially bulletproof. Inside, the RX is all about quality. Every button and surface feels built to endure decades of use. The tech is modern but refreshingly stable, no annoying glitches or freezes. Lexus dealerships are known for top-tier service, but you'll mostly just need routine maintenance. Critics may call it safe or even boring, but that's the point. The RX is serene, comfortable, and utterly dependable. For most luxury SUV buyers, that's the ultimate peace of mind. If you want a stress-free ownership experience, the RX is still king. It's luxury that just works. Next, the Porsche Cayenne, a surprise entry for reliability, but it's earned its spot. On a robust platform shared with Audi and Bentley, the Cayenne benefits from extensive engineering and testing. Porsche's engines, from the V6 to the e-hybrid, are designed for both performance and durability. The Cayenne is the best driving SUV in its class, yet it feels solid and well-built, even after years of use. The interior is top-notch, with materials and build quality that rival anything on the market. Maintenance costs are higher and some high-tech options can be pricey to fix, but core reliability is excellent. It consistently scores at the top of its segment for dependability. If you want thrilling performance without sacrificing reliability, the Cayenne is a compelling, if premium, choice. It's proof you can have fun and peace of mind. The BMW X5 has become a benchmark for blending luxury, performance, and now, reliability. Recent models, especially those with the B58 inline-6 engine, have a stellar reputation for durability and smooth power. The X5 is built in BMW's Spartanburg plant, known for quality and attention to detail. The chassis is solid, the interior is refined, and the iDrive infotainment system is now intuitive and reliable. It's more engaging to drive than the RX, but more comfortable than the Cayenne. For buyers who want a bit of everything, luxury, tech, performance, and proven dependability, the X5 is hard to beat. Stick with the inline-6 for the best long-term experience. It's the all-rounder of the group. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is all about comfort, prestige, and advanced tech, without sacrificing reliability. The GLE's 3-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid tech is smooth, efficient, and robust. The ride quality is sublime, especially with the optional air suspension. Inside, the GLE boasts a luxurious cabin and the impressive, stable MBUX infotainment system. While high-tech options can be costly to repair, the core vehicle is solid and dependable. Owners report high satisfaction and fewer issues than many rivals. If you want a serene, tech-rich luxury SUV with a strong reliability record, the GLE is a top pick. It's like a rolling S-Class for the family. Rounding out the list is the Audi Q7, understated, practical, and impressively reliable. Built on the same platform as the Cayenne, the Q7 offers a proven foundation and excellent powertrains. The 3-liter turbo V6 is smooth and durable, paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. Inside, the Q7 shines with impeccable build quality and cutting-edge tech that just works. It's the only SUV here with standard third-row seating, making it perfect for families. The Q7 doesn't shout for attention, but it delivers quiet competence and long-term dependability. For those who value practicality, technology, and reliability, the Q7 is a superb choice. It's the strong, silent type in the luxury SUV world, often overlooked but never outclassed. There you have it, 5 luxury SUVs that deliver both prestige and peace of mind. From the Lexus RX's bulletproof reliability to to the Porsche Cayenne's thrilling drive, there's a dependable option for every luxury buyer. Focus on proven powertrains and build quality, and you'll enjoy stress-free ownership for years. Want more details? Check the link in the description for deeper reviews and ownership tips. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe for more expert car advice. Thanks for watching. Your perfect, reliable SUV is waiting.